How to create a Wise business account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, are you running a global business? Well, if that's the case, let's set you up with a Wise business account in just a few minutes. So, here, first thing first, open the Wise app on your phone, and here, once you have opened it, you can just tap on Get Started, and here on the new page, you can just tap on Registered or Sign in with Google. And now, here on the new page, you need to enter the email address. So, here, I'm gonna simply go back and tap on Sign in with Google, and here, I'm gonna simply select my Google account. And here, once selected the Google account on the new page, I'm gonna simply tap on business account. And now here, once I have selected the business account, make sure that you're signing up on behalf of company, not as an individual. Now here, once you have selected your region, you just have to tap on continue, and on the next page you need to enter your business email address and create a password, and once you're done with that, you just have to hit continue. And now you need to enter your business name, registered address, and country of incorporation. And after that, you'll be asked to upload verification documents like business registration papers and ID for the account owner. And here you just have to describe your business activities and add your first payment method to get started. And after that, Wise will review your application, and usually it will reply you within 1 to 3 business days, and you will get notified once it's approved. And that's it. That's how you can create a Wise business account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.